What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another fresh one. Today I have a basic drop fade for you guys. Last week sometime I featured this model. We only had done the spin, but this time I reserve a portion of the haircut so you guys can see how the Barber Illuminati put this haircut together. Let's go! By the way, if you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. Let's go. I'm gonna zoom in a little so you guys can see every detail about this haircut. Once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Barber Studio in Waukegan, Illinois. Boom, let's go. A large portion of the haircut has already been completed. I'm only recording this portion just to show you guys, as usual, my fitting technique, my all detachable blades fitting technique. That's what this channel is all about. Nothing more, nothing less. By the way, shout out to Cuz from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Barber Illuminati. I appreciate all who subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys a great deal. The channel is growing, slow and steady. I appreciate that. All Detachable Blades is a new phenomenon on YouTube. All Detachable Blades is a new phenomenon in haircutting, period. This is a channel that started the phenomenon, and the phenomenon is just getting started. Barber Illuminati. Boom. Alright, I'm getting ready to create my first guideline with the OA blade as usual. I'm very much doing the same thing I usually do. Alright. OA guideline coming up. I'm going to zoom in all the way in. I want you guys to see every detail on this haircut. This video will not be edited. I'm looking for my 000 blade. Where it's at? Boom, there we go. 000 at an angle after the OA. 000. Get in there. I don't know if you guys can see all the way back there. Here we go. 000 at an angle. Behind the OA. Boom. 50. Behind the 000. Get in there. Maybe a little bit too much light. I'm gonna darken the light a little bit. There we go. There we go. I'm still with the 50. Boom. Then I'm gonna use my NDC outliner to work the bottom line out. It's business as usual. This is not the first time or the last time I'm using this technique. This is my usual technique ever since I started this channel. I would say about 99% of this technique is being used in this channel. There's one video of mine when I just started that has a different technique. Other than that, this is the same old technique since I've been back to the channel. Boom. Alright, I'm going to use my finale shaver Very light to work out the bottom line and move on. Very light. You don't want to get too excited here. Very light. Boom. All right. I'm going to move on to my 1.5 guideline. As you can see, I didn't have to repeat the steps this time. Okay, this is my 1.5. Boom. 1A below the 1.5. One below the 1A. Where's my one blade? There we go, right here. The OA below the 1. Boom, we are looking awesome. Oh my God. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1.5. Boom. 1A below the 1.5. This is the time where you're very careful with your strokes and be very attentive to the haircut, because this is the room, this is the time where you don't want to get too excited with any blade at all. Just a tad bit of it will do. Corner, corner, corner. Boom. This is my 1A below my 1.5. Oh my God, this blade is coming out so clean. I'm excited about that one. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Now the 1 below the 1A. Wow, this is incredible. Boom. Wow, that was easy. I haven't recorded a haircut that was this easy in a long time. Wow, this is incredible. Maybe I'll get better. This is incredible. This is incredible. That was the easiest blend ever. Wow. This is incredible. Hey yo, the Barber Illuminati is getting better. I had to be getting better. No way. This blend is done so fast, so clean. Hardly any repetition is needed. Oh my God. The Barber Illuminati is getting better and better. All right, I'm gonna quickly apply a little bit of product. Then we're gonna do a quick spin and we out. All right, the back requires a little bit of clip of a comb. I'm gonna do that quickly. Nothing dramatic, just a quick clip of a comb towards the back of the crown. I'm gonna do a little bit of clip of a comb back here. Apply a little bit of product. Do a quick spin, and then we're gonna shut it down. Boom. All right. I'm gonna zoom out a little. Apply a bit of product. Pomade. That's it. This is very much the cut. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. This is the only all detachable blade haircut tutorial channel on YouTube in the universe. It's never been done anywhere in the world. No, not just the world, the entire universe. It's never been done in the history of mankind, recorded history. Stop playing, people. Stop playing. The Barber Illuminati is serious. Yes, the channel is slow growing, but I'm gonna keep doing this until the world ends. Until the wheel fall off. How about that? All right, YouTube, this is the cut. Once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna do a quick spin, and we out. Boom. All right, here we go. Once again, I appreciate you guys for watching. Removing all the little residue of hair. All right. Let me remove my gloves right quick. All right. There go a quick spin. Then we out of here. Wow. This is incredible. This is incredible. Wow. Put your head down a little bit, please. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Wow. With all detachable blades, yes. You saw it. You saw it. You saw the video. Wow. Oh my God. This is amazing. Wow. 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 This is amazing. All right, YouTube. This was the Barber Illuminati. One more time, please feel free to look me up on Instagram, Barber Illuminati. We out.